With the resumption of the post-cabinet media briefings next week Wednesday, the Press Association of Jamaica PAJ and senior editors are calling for the Andrew Holness-led administration to commit to holding these briefings regularly. In a joint statement, the PAJ and senior editors said the briefings should be scheduled for a fixed day and time weekly and as soon as possible after the cabinet meeting so that media houses are able to properly deploy their reporters. TVJ Shamela Mitchell reports.
The last post-cabinet press briefing was held almost 8 months ago. It's a concern the Press Association of Jamaica has been expressing, and so in June of this year, it issued a statement on the matter. However, on Friday, the PAJ's position was bolstered by editors from the country's 6 largest newsrooms.
Although post-cabinet press briefings were being told are going to resume, we felt there were some unanswered issues. The question as to how irregularly the administration used to hold them, even when they were being held, we feel that needs to be put front and center. We think the administration needs to give a commitment to having them on a regular and preferably weekly basis so that we know when they are going to be held.
But although the government announced on Thursday that post-cabinet briefings will resume next Wednesday, it does not appear convinced of the value of these interactions with the media. Information Minister Ruel Reid seemingly dismissed the importance of the briefing in an interview on the morning agenda on Power 106 on June 27.
The time when we relied a lot on post-cabinet press briefing is a time when we didn't have media in the form, we didn't have social media, we didn't have so much means of communication. There also is a call for the Prime Minister to have quarterly briefing, and there's no point of having all of these running concurrently.
It seems to me a fundamental misunderstanding on his part as to the value of these briefings and why it is they're being held. It seems that there isn't really a clear understanding of the fact that the Prime Minister is primus inter pares, meaning first among equals. So whatever it is that we're going to be asking, whether the Information Minister or any other Cabinet Minister, the Prime Minister does obviously have a special role in governance and in the executive, and therefore the buck stops with him. So yes, we may very well ask him the same reasons, the same questions, but from a different perspective and for a different reason.
The editors and the PAJ also said the so-called media day that is being offered up as an example as access to the Prime Minister is really no such thing.
You don't even get an opportunity most times to engage with him informally when he's arriving at an event, because his security now apparently have taken a policy position or have been told to ensure that the media cannot get near to him. So what is being posited as an example of fantastic media access really is not, and we want that on the table and we want that acknowledged.
The PAJ, along with the editors, say most of the media requests made to interview the Prime Minister have been put on hold or pushed back to this one day of the year. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.